What have you liked so far about Seattle?
About Seattle or Denver?
Sorry, Denver. I don't know where I am. Okay. What do you like so far about Denver? What are you learning?
I'm learning about animals and prehistoric life forms.
What else?
I'm also learning about how planet Earth and the moon and this evolved. Sean, that's a koosh ball. Ew. Yay! Ew. Yay! Let's move on. This is really boring. I've looked at everything. Grab that one.
I gotta find, don't worry. Shoot.
No. Shut up. We collect more than that. That is a raptor. Yeah, it's a raptor. It's very sharp claws. Have lots of meat in them. More than about like a Tyrannosaurus. And its bones are flexible like us. They can do this, but cannot do this. And like twist them or do something crazy. They have very sharp teeth to bite its prey. They have a spine that goes whoop. You can see it right over there. And it's very powerful.
I got a whole lower jaw from a T-Rex. And the really neat part is you can see he's getting a new tooth here. And you guys know how many sets of teeth do humans get in their life? No. But I mean total, you know, like you lose a set of teeth, you get a new one. How long does that happen?
Basically, it's how many teeth you have inside now times 2.
Right, you're right. So we get 2 sets of teeth. T-Rex got a new set of teeth forever. It could be 30, you know, if he lived long enough. Just as soon as one fell out, another one popped up, kind of like a shark.
Oh, feels so smooth and a little weirdish too weird. This one is very light. Looks like it's like 100 years old.
You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to make current, Sean. It's only oh my god, you know, I don't care anymore.
Fine, I'll stop.
Sean, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to make current like that.